Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about safety rules in chemical laboratories. Let's start our lecture. First of all, you should protect your eyes. Appropriate eye protection must be worn at all times because our eyes, it is very sensitive or organized in our body. You should wear appropriate protective clothing. Your clothing should cover your legs to the knees. Shorts are not appropriate for the laboratory. Lab aprons can be used to protect good clothing. Loose clothing shouldn't be worn because it may dip into chemicals or fall into a flame and catch fire. You should use goggles, gloves, lab coat, shoes, and protective gear has to be comfortable. As I said, wear shoes that cover your feet. Sandals and open-toed shoes don't protect your feet from broken glass that is frequently found in the lab. Also, leather shoes protect your feet from chemical spills. Canvas shoes don't apply cosmetics, eat or drink in the lab. These activities are ways by which you can accidentally ingest harmful chemicals. Don't taste any chemicals. Always add acid to water, as you see on the picture. And you should remember this sentence: don't spit into acid. A good phrase to remember this rule. Hold your hand over the label while pouring. Heat test tubes at an angle, directing the opening oppositely to you and other people in the laboratory. In the picture, you should see how you should heat test tubes. Also, handle hot glassware with gloves or brick tongs. You should use some equipment. You can see on the picture. Don't smell any chemicals directly. If absolutely necessary to smell, use your hand to pan the vapor to your nose. In this picture, you can see how it is possible. Don't pipette solution by mouth. Use a rubber suction bulb or other device to fill a pipette. Wash your hands with soap and water before leaving. This rule applies even if you have been wearing gloves. Never remove chemicals from the laboratory. This guy puts chemicals in his locker. Don't work alone in the lab. In case of a problem, you may need another person to prevent injury or even save your life. Remember that the lab is a place for serious work. Careless behavior may endanger yourself and others and will not be tolerated. Demonstrate safe behavior before leaving the lab. Return equipment and chemicals to their proper places. And be sure to replace the lids to all containers. Clean up your work area. Thank you for attention.